Hello everyone, hope you're having an awesome and wonderful day today. Recently, I was watching Peter McKinnon.
It's me!
And I realized he really likes making sound effects with his mouth. Actually, he made a video with Andrew Kwong just making sound effects that you can buy for $20. Link to that video right here. And since it was so interesting to me, I decided to make a compilation from some of his recent videos and some videos from a little while back.
Woo!
That was pretty awesome, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. And oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next one.